Hey beauties, and welcome back. So to start off with this makeup look, I am going to go ahead and prep my eyelids with the e.l.f. concealer and the Airspun powder. Now for this makeup look, we're going to be using this palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. We are going to go ahead and start off using this pink color as the transition color. And we are going to go ahead and blend it out pretty much for a while until we get that really nice pigmentation, okay? Now for the blending, I am using a brush from a palette. I think it's from Naked. I don't know exactly which one it is, but just go ahead and use any medium blending brush, and we're going to go ahead and go in with that pink color, okay? Just continue to blend that out until you get that pink that you want. Just be patient, like I always say. The blending part is the most important part. Get it right. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a rush. Just take your time until you get that really nice pigmentation that you want, okay? Now, like I always say, try to blend up towards your eyebrow. That way you can go ahead and see the color when you do that cut crease, okay? Now for the second step, we are going to go ahead and go in with a base. This is a blue base from, let's see if I can pronounce it, Saint Ploys Academy. It's probably wrong, you guys. I will go ahead and put that down in the description box below so you guys can purchase them. I got these during Black Friday sale when they had everything 50% off. In this case, I am using the blue base, and it just allows everything to be a lot more colorful. The colors stand out, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a complete cut crease. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just making sure that everything is nice and straight, as you can tell. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add some shadow. I'm going to go ahead and get this blue warm color. I'm just going to go ahead and get a blending brush, pat it on top of that blue base, make the color a lot more intense. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Kiss glue, which is transparent. Put it on the eyelid and add some blue glitter, which is just so beautiful. You guys know that I absolutely love glitter, and this is a baby blue glitter. Okay. And instead of putting glue on the entire eyelid, just go ahead and do half of the eyelid, add some glitter, and then do the other half. We want to prevent any any cracking, anything like that on the crease. Okay, right now I'm just using a brush. I don't even know where this is from, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lightly, and then here in this section coming up next, I went ahead and just completed the entire cut crease and added some glitter, okay, right over here on the corners. And this makeup look, you guys, is super easy. It is not difficult. It is not hard to do. As you guys can see, it probably took me like 5 minutes to create. It is beautiful, but then at the same time, it is super simple for you guys to recreate this makeup look. So if you do decide to recreate, make sure you tag me on Instagram under Elizabeth_beautyglam. And my friend was interrupting me here in the middle of my video. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. liner here up next. As you guys know, I have been using this e.l.f. liner for a very long time, probably 3 years now, and it works really, really good for me. If you are getting started in makeup, this eyeliner is super watery, so I wouldn't recommend that you start with this one exactly. But then at the same time, it is very, very affordable. I think it's about $2.50, $3, which is really good if you're gonna start practicing doing your eyeliner, anything like that. If you have super sweaty eyelids, you can always apply some black shadow to just help it stay up on your eyelid a little bit longer. Or if you're looking for that matte finish on the eyeliner, you can also, use some black shadow, okay? And so this is super simple, just doing this wing liner, okay? For this style in lashes, for this makeup look, I am going to be using my Lady, which right here at this point, I have already applied the lashes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. You guys, my eyebrows have been super crazy lately. I went in and they didn't do them right, so I'm letting them grow out. So they do look super crazy. But I just, I'm working as much as I possibly can with them. And this makeup was actually going to be just a random makeup look. I'm here all day at my house, so I just decided randomly to do a makeup look. So as you guys can see, my makeup, I'm sorry, not my makeup, my hair is super crazy, you guys, for this video. So I am so sorry about that, you guys. I don't know why I have that clip on my hair right now, but okay. And for my eyebrows, you guys know that I use the e.l.f. cream, and it works really good for me as well. And right here I'm just using a Sephora brand eyebrow brush, okay? And I'm just making them a little bit sharper, a little bit thicker, so everything can be nice and balanced. Okay, shall we move on to the next step? Get really serious about my eyebrows, you guys. That is some serious business right there. Come on, Liz. They actually look pretty good. Okay. So let's move on to the next step. So I am gonna go ahead and I was thinking right there, what is the next step? I'm gonna be using a lip gloss. This is from Too Faced, not my favorite. It is super sticky, you guys, but it's the Melted Latex, and this is in the color Hot Mess, okay? Now I'm going in with my, I think this was the Chocolate Shop palette, and I am going to go ahead and just put a little bit of blush and do a little bit of highlight. You guys know that highlight is my favorite. For highlight, I am using the Anastasia highlighting palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more of highlight. Before this video, I did have foundation on. I did not reapply the foundation because, like I said, I'm just going to be here at my house. But this is a complete look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.